All right, Trooper, you want to come with me? Kind of look around a little while. Where are we going, Trooper? I don't know, huh? Yep. Pretty morning this morning. Crying? Come on. What's wrong? Why are you crying? No reason to cry. It's okay. Almost done. We're getting some gas. Okay? I know. Calm down. Alright, Trooper, we need a box so I could ship that receiver that I sold. Alright, so hold on. Stick in here. Which one will fit that receiver? That one's pretty big right there. I don't know. Right here. Ugh, no. There we go. Right here. This might work. If I cut this one back, it might work. I don't know. This one. You can cut them back. You ready to go, buddy? Alright, let's go. Oh, there's a PetSmart. I think you asked me to stop here, right? PetSmart? Alright, let's go look. Sorry, buddy. Ain't nothing in here. Oh well. Alright. Y'all ready to go home? Alright, we're home, Trooper. See if these boxes work. Where you at? Trooper! Well, it fits in this box, but you have to cut it back a little bit. Shipping's gonna be terrible. Gotta go all the way to Puerto Rico. And get back on this thing. Have to crank in. The oil pump rebuilt. And a nice mess on here, I tell you. Wife really loves this one. Come on, Trooper, what you doing, buddy? What are you looking at? Kind of been... Got a lot of crap going on here. I'm gonna clean this place up. Too many projects. Alright. Sold this thing on eBay. Figure out how to ship it all the way to Puerto Rico. That ought to be... Where'd my dog go? There he is. There he is. What you looking for? A squirrel or something? Oh, okay. We can cut this thing back a little bit. Thirsty, Trooper? I don't know. Let's see. Getting there. How does that look? That looks good to you? What do you think? Meet your inspection? Trooper, how does it work? I've got to tape this like crazy now. Get it all bundled up so we don't have a problem. This thing's going all the way to Puerto Rico. What you think about that, Trooper? Would you like to go to Puerto Rico? I don't know. What do you think, Trooper? Well, that looks terrible. It don't look good, but it's packed very well. Oh my Lord. Looks pretty bad, huh, Trooper? What do you think? I know. Terrible. Alright, buddy. Thirsty, huh? You comfortable, Trooper? See you later. I'm going to ship that stuff. $32. $32 to ship that thing to Puerto Rico. I don't think I'm going to make much money on that one. Oh well. Oh well. Have a good trip.